Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In last class, we have discussed about respiration. In this class, we are going to discuss about events or steps involved in the process of respiration. Now, let us come to the topic. Events or steps in respiration. As we know that respiration is the process the complete utilization of that food material takes place in the process of respiration. The energy is released in this process. That energy is utilized the organism to maintain its life process. In this process of respiration, there are different biochemical there are different biochemical and physical events are occur in this process. That's why the respiration process is also known as complex process. Complex process. So it is a complex process. So it involves several events or steps. But in these steps or events, it is not any demarcation of these events or steps. These steps are observed in this process of respiration, which is only for our convenient only. Which is only for our convenient only. Now let us discuss the events which is observed in the process of respiration. In this respiration process, the first event observed in this are breathing. Next, gases exchange at lungs level. Next, transport of gas by blood. After that, gaseous exchange at tissue level. Finally, we are observing that cellular respiration. These are the common steps involved in the process of respiration in human beings. In this breathing process, air movement in, into and out of the lungs. In this process, air move inside the lungs and come outside the lungs. So this exchange of this air into the lungs and outside the environment or takes place in the breathing process. Next, gases exchange at lungs level. In this, gases are transported or gases are exchanged from alveoli to blood or blood capillaries. So these alveoli are the smallest units which is present in the lungs. So alveoli are also known as basic structural unit of these lungs. So from here alveoli to blood, the gases exchange takes place in this step. Next, in this transport of gas by blood, in this process oxygen is transported from blood capillaries to the alveoli or blood capillaries of the alveoli to the cells, and carbon dioxide is returned. Here transport of gas by blood. So generally the oxygen is transported from blood capillaries of the alveoli to the cells, and the carbon dioxide are also returned in this blood. Next, gases exchange at tissues level. Here the oxygen which is present in the blood, is exchanged from blood to the cells, and the carbon dioxide which is present in the cells, are exchanged into blood. So here gases exchange at tissues level. In this step the oxygen is present in that blood is exchanged in that cells, from the carbon dioxide present in that cells are exchanged into the blood. Finally the oxygen reaches to cells. Here cellular respiration, the process of cellular respiration takes place inside the cell. Finally the cellular respiration takes place inside the cell. The water plus CO2 plus energy is produced in this process. In this, water is released into that outside, and carbon dioxide are also released into that outside, and energy are also released from that cells. So this energy is released from this process of cellular respiration is utilized in the organisms. So this is the steps involved in the process of respiration. The steps which is starting with breathing and ended with the cellular respiration. Finally the energy is released. That energy is utilized in the living organisms to carry their life process in a perfect manner. Okay, this is the steps we are observed in this respiration. If you have any doubts, please comment on it. If you want more videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.